All right, this is your Math 3 final benchmark. Question number 1. Consider the graph of a circle. What is the equation of the circle? All right, so if you remember the equation of a circle, let's just go ahead and write that down. It's going to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals your radius squared. All right, so first thing we need to do, let's find the radius here. So if we look, we go straight up from here. Looks like this is the radius, and we can check it by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 in each direction. So R equals 7. And then our h and k comes from the center. So the center is going to be -3 and +2. So this is our h and this is our k. All right, so we just have to fill this in. So we're going to have x minus h minus a -3 is +3. And then y minus k would be -2 squared. And then r is 7. Our radius is 7, so we need to do r squared. So radius squared is 49. So all we have to do is match that equation now. So x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 49. So our answer is D. So question 1, the answer is D.